want to show off the new feature. So when you go under choose media, you can choose individual files, choose video to folder. So this is when you rip a DVD, which my program doesn't do, but when you learn how to do rip a DVD, it will create a video TS folder, has all the text files in there and then the video files. And this will scan that folder, assemble it all, create a single file for you. But the newest one I just had is scan find GoPro video. So on purpose right now, I did not plug in my external memory card, just to show you that if there isn't one, it will just say no GoPro videos found. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug it in and give it a few seconds to recognize it. Okay, so now if you go back to choose media, scan GoPro, I should find it. The way I did it was first, I programmed that to do a single thumbnail, just a single image at the start of the video, so that it can populate these things quickly. Right here in this example, I only have 3, but what if you have 100? You know what I mean? So it does that first, so it can give you a quick idea of what is happening. The second thing, after that, it will do another scan and do a 5-second preview of each of the video, but it does it only after generating the quick thumbnail. So when you hover with your mouse over it, it will do that. Okay. Now let's, on this particular, I only have 3, 3, right? So I'm going to select them all. You can select them individually or however you want. So I can add select, and what it does is it will add them to the holding bin timeline area here. So now let me remove everything so we have a clean bin, because I was messing with it. So let's do this again. Add these 3. Now, on purpose, I test these on the slowest Mac that I have for the Mac version, which is the M1. It works much faster like a M2, M3, M4. But on purpose, it just happens I have the M1. If it works acceptably on an M1, it should work on any of the higher models even better. So now if you click on holding bin, you have them here. You can click them individually, and then you can individually do whatever you want with them. You can change the duration, or, you know, let's say you want to change the duration on this guy. You just double click on it just like before. It opens the player, and you can change this, right? You can change this. Let's say this one here. You can change it now. Okay, and that's all you have to really do. It should auto-save everything. So now when I escape out of it, you can see that's been greatly reduced because we didn't indeed reduce it. And if you want to give it a second to catch up, you can close this and you can see again that has been adjusted. Now, so that's what you do if you want to change the duration, the exact start and end of each, and then you go in there, change your transitions, you go in there, change the durations. You can go in there for each clip. You can do a cinematic if you want or none. And text overlay, this doesn't do anything other than display what text overlay you've chosen. So like if you want text overlay on this clip, you just highlight the clip and then click text overlay, and then you pick wherever you want. You have access to everything, colors, right? There's some cinematic effects that I've been working on, like the Star Wars crawl and glitch and typewriter and stuff like that. And I did go through all of them, and I tested them individually, and they seem to work. So this was just meant like a quick video just to show you, because I use the GoPro a lot. I have like 2-3 GoPros in the summertime, spring. I use it a lot, not so much in the wintertime when it's cold. But I want to have a quick ability to really quickly go in there, select my clips, get in the timeline holding binary, start editing them really quickly, start doing things, start previewing really quickly in and out, like a Swiss Army knife that's accurate and it does everything you want without any like things that are wasteful. So that is it. Cheers.